you and welcome back to my channel Learn Italian with Max. This is the lesson number 17. We are going to see how to use the expression Mamma mia, a very typical Italian expression. Stay with me after the jingle. Welcome back to my lesson. Okay, today we are going to see how to use this typical Italian expression, mamma mia, that we use a lot. We used to say that in many ways. But please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. I have a playlist, lessons. I have another playlist, Italian conversation, where you learn and practice your Italian listening. And I have another playlist, Italian pills, where you may learn some pills of Italian culture. Okay, so let's see mamma mia. When we use this expression mamma mia, well, basically it's like oh my god, more or less is oh my god. Mamma mia literally means oh my mother, alright? And we use it when there is a big deal of surprise, of wonder, okay? There is a big deal of something, okay? And the surprise is included in that. Let's see some example. For instance, you show me your new Rolex gold watch, okay? It is unexpected, so I look at your watch and I say, mamma mia, quanto è bello. That means, mamma mia, oh my god, how beautiful is that? Okay, there is a big deal of surprise in this case. Another case, okay, I see a nice child. You introduce your son. Oh mamma mia, quanto è bello questo bambino. That means, oh mamma mia, my God, how beautiful is this child, right? You can use it, this expression, mamma mia, for a good thing or even for a bad thing. Let's say, okay, tomorrow you have the examination to the school. Oh mamma mia, non sono pronto. That means, oh my god, mamma mia, I'm not ready for that. Another case, how much is the cost for this camera? Okay, 5,000 euros. Oh mamma mia, quanto è cara. That means, oh my god, how dear is that? How expensive is that? Okay, there is a surprise. And it's unexpected, a lot of surprise. It's a big deal. Another case of surprise, let's say that you're in love with someone and you see this person there, okay, oh mamma mia, è là, mi sta guardando, you know, oh my god, she's there, she's looking at me, okay? You can say, oh mamma mia. If she turns and comes to you, you can say, oh mamma mia, sono emozionato. That means, oh mamma mia, I feel embarrassed. Okay, this kind of surprise, a big deal of surprise. I can show you my new car, okay? Look at that, I've just bought this car. And you can say, oh mamma mia, quanto è bella! Oh my god, how beautiful is that? You can use it even in this case, like, okay, you want to buy a house here in Italy? Okay, I show you this wonderful villa. And you say, oh mamma mia, villa is too expensive. I just want to buy a flat. Okay, even in that case, oh mamma mia, how can I do it? You can use it even to show a big deal of discourage. Let's say that I'm telling you, okay, you want to go to see the Leaning Tower? Okay, you have to walk for 10 kilometers. And you can say, oh mamma mia, troppo lontano. That means, oh my god, it's too far away. I prefer to take a bus or use the car. Another case like that of discourage. Let's say that I tell you, okay, you have to jump that wall, it's 2 meters high. And you may say, 2 meters to jump? Oh mamma mia, non lo farò mai. That means, oh my God, I will never make it. Another case, would you like to buy a Ferrari? Mamma mia, I really would like it, but it costs too much. This is another example. One more instance. Let's say that you are in the Louvre Museum and you see the Gioconda, okay, Mona Lisa. You go there, you stare at this painting and you can say, Mamma mia, quanta bellezza. That means, oh my God, so much beauty, okay? Well, that is it for today. I mean, this lesson has been quick, short, but very important, because we really use it, mamma mia, in many instances. And if you use mamma mia, you really sound like a native Italian. Okay, for today, that is it. I wait for you next lesson, but please subscribe to my channel and write here below any comments. I'm happy to read any comments. Okay, so I have to go. Mamma mia, è tardi. Mamma mia.